Active Maths 2, exercise 1.3, question 11. 40 people were asked, so that's my universal set, about roses, tulips, or daffodils. 5 did not grow any of these flowers. 6 grew roses or daffodils. Now this is quite an important one, you have to be very careful about this. Roses or daffodils, but not tulips. So rose, when you have an or, that's a union. So roses or daffodils is that section there, but we're taking away the tulips. So roses or daffodils represents these 3 sections. So we can't do anything with that for the precise moment in time. We'll just hold back on that. 28 grew roses, so that's a total of 28 for the entirety of roses. 30 grew at least 2 of the 3 flowers, so that's the intersection sections, so either 2 flowers or 3. So again, we can't do anything with that for the moment. 20 grew roses and tulips, but not daffodils. So and is the intersection. Roses and tulips is this section here, but not daffodils. So it's just this section. So that's 20 goes in there. 7 grew tulips and daffodils. Again, we can't work out exactly how that's going to be apportioned, because we don't know how much is going to be in the 2 sections. So tulips and daffodils is that, so we know that's 7 in total. Lastly, 4 grew through all 3, so we can put that in. Now the question does not give us any information on what to call X. We have to make that own choice. There's one piece of information out of the 3 pieces we've got here. There's one that we can actually put back in. Now we've finished all the lists, we can actually go back to this one without any problems. 7 grew tulips and daffodils. We've got 4 in the centre, so we know this must be 3. So we can cross that off. But what is more difficult is to deal with the other 2 pieces of information. 6 grew roses or daffodils, but not tulips. So these 3 sections here represent 6 in total. 30 grew at least 2 of the 3. So, 30 grew at least 2 of the 3 flowers. So we have a situation here where these 4 items together add up to 30. So we've got 27. So this last bit must be 3. And the only issue is how we apportion the rest of it. Well, the roses, we've got 28 in total. That's 20 and 4 and 3, which is 27. So to make 28, we can only have one final person who just did roses only. And going back again, this piece of information, 6 roses, these 3 make 6. So 1 and 3 make 4. This last bit must be 2. The only bit we don't know now is the tulips only, but we know there's a total of 40, so if we add up what we have so far with those 6 items inside, plus the 5 outside, and find the difference between that total and the 40, we'll get how much is tulips only. So it's just a case of doing a bit of a quick sum. So tulips only is going to be 40, and we're taking away the 28 that we have in this section here. And we're also taking away the 3 and the 2 and the 5. So we're taking away 38 in total, which leaves us with 2 for tulips only. So we filled in all of the 8 sections of the Venn diagram, so we've done the first part and represented all the information properly. We want to find now the probability that chosen at random from the group root grew roses or daffodils. So an or is union, so it's roses or daffodils. This is in all of this section here. So all we need to say to ourselves is add up these 6 sections, which comes to 33. Well, I should point out to you, by the way, that we've also got the 2 and the 5 in the 2 sections that aren't covered. So we could just take 7 away from 40 to get our 33 that way. Suffice to say, for part 2, our probability of roses or daffodils is going to be 33 out of 40. And the probability that a person chose at random grew roses and daffodils but not tulips, so an and is intersection, so roses and daffodils is this section here, but not tulips must be just this bit section here. So probability of, so just to give you the set notation, roses and daffodils but not tulips is 3 out of 40.